Welcome to my channel, Anahita's Ambrosan Cooking. Today I'll be showing you a fun recipe on how to make delicious pizza. The recipe makes 4 medium-sized pizzas. Your first step is to measure out 325 milliliters of warm water. Stir in 7 grams of dry yeast and a pinch of sugar into your water and set that off to the side. Make sure that your water is not too warm or too cold, because if so, the dough won't rise properly. Step 2 is to sift out 500 grams of plain flour into a bowl. That's 33 tablespoons and a teaspoon. Then add a pinch of salt. For step 3, you need to combine your liquid and your solid and mix it together. You can tip it over onto a powdered surface to knead. Then you cut it up into 4 separate pieces for your pizza, and you put it in a greased tray that has been greased with olive oil, and then you cover it with a damp cloth. After 2 hours, your dough should have swollen up. Now that my dough has rested for at least 2 hours, I can get ready to top it. I set my oven to 200 degrees Celsius and leave it to preheat. Then I prep my vegetables, cheese, and sauce. With your balls of dough, you will need to re-knead each ball individually until, when you press your finger down lightly, the dough pops back up. Then you simply roll out your dough into even circles and top it however you like. I then put my pizzas on these round metal trays and put them in my oven until the crust went slightly golden brown. If you don't have round pizza pans, you can also just cook this on a metal tray, and if you don't have that, you can cook it on aluminium foil. All that's left to do now is to take out your pizza and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, drop a like. And if you want to see me making more things in the future, subscribe!